Hi, my name is Zara. I am 20 years old. And sometimes I feel so lonely. I don't have friends to share my thoughts with. And it feels like no one really wants to be my friend. It's hard, especially when I hear people saying things behind my back, about how I look or how I act. Have you ever felt this way too? If you have, I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Maybe we've all felt alone at some point in our lives. The pain of loneliness. I see people laughing together, making plans and sharing secrets. I wish I could be a part of that, but I don't know how to start. Every time I try to talk to someone, a voice in my head says, "They don't like you, they don't want you around." Hearing people talk about my looks or my personality only makes it worse. It feels like they've already decided I don't belong. Have you ever felt like an outsider? Let's talk about it in the comments. It's okay to share your feelings. Questioning myself? I often wonder, is there something wrong with me? Am I not good enough to have friends? These thoughts make me feel small. Like I don't deserve to be loved or accepted. But then, I want to ask you something. What is one thing you love about yourself? It can be big or small. Write it down now. Let's celebrate who we are together. A small spark of hope. One day, I came across a quote that said, "You cannot control how others see you, but you can control how you see yourself." It made me think. Maybe the first step isn't finding a friend. Maybe the first step is becoming a friend to myself. What do you think about this quote? Does it inspire you too? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to know what helps you stay strong. Learning to love myself. I decided to stop listening to the negative voices in my head and start appreciating myself. I began doing small things to make myself happy, reading my favorite books, going for walks, and trying new hobbies. I also started to write down things I like about myself. I'm kind. I listen to people. I care about others. At first, it felt strange, but slowly, I started to believe it. Can you try this exercise too? Write 3 things you love about yourself. Share them in the comments if you're comfortable. It might inspire someone else. Opening up. One day, I decided to be brave and talk to someone new. It wasn't easy, but I told myself, what's the worst that can happen? I started with a simple compliment. "I like your bag. Where did you get it?" To my surprise, the person smiled and started talking to me. That small moment gave me hope. Have you ever taken a small step to connect with someone? Share your experience. I'd love to hear your stories. Realizing my worth. I've learned that not everyone will like me, and that's okay. What matters is that I like myself. The people who truly care about me will come into my life at the right time. Now, when I hear someone say something negative about me, I remind myself, Their words don't define who I am. I am more than their opinions. Do you agree? What's one way you remind yourself of your worth when times get tough? Let's discuss it below and help each other stay strong. Finding connection. I'm still on this journey, but I'm learning to be patient. Friendships take time, and it's okay to start small. Most importantly, I'm learning that I'm worthy of love and friendship, just as I am. If you've ever felt lonely, just know you're not alone. Leave a comment to share your journey, and let's create a community of support. If Zara's story touched your heart, give this video a thumbs up. It helps us reach more people who might need this message. Subscribe for more heartwarming stories and English lessons. Together, we can grow and improve every day. And don't forget to share this video with someone who might need to hear this story. Let's spread positivity.